I'm Frankie Bellucci. I know this city. I know the streets. I know the neighborhoods. I know how to read a house. And I know how to negotiate. I don't rattle. And I find the answer. Let's get into it. There is a number in real estate nobody likes to say out loud. A license is not experience. In any given year, a large number of active license holders close only a few deals, if any, or none at all. Many haven't worked a real closing or an inspection dispute in a long time, or if ever. Here's what actually matters. When you hire an agent, you're not hiring a license. You're hiring the reps behind it. This is where people get stuck. They assume every agent has seen what can go wrong. They haven't. When a deal gets complicated, a low or no volume agent is learning on your transaction, on your single largest asset. But here's the catch. You can't tell from a headshot or a nice sign. You have to ask, how many closings did you have last year? How many inspections and disputes did you handle last year? How many appraisal gaps got navigated on or near the state line? A real authority is going to answer instantly because an amateur changes the subject. So ask the questions before you sign. A real authority is going to answer instantly because an amateur changes the subject. So ask the questions before you sign. Let me tell you about a deal that almost died in escrow. I'll call it the Glen Arbor transaction. Clean house, fair price, motivated on both sides. It should have closed without a bunch of drama. But then the inspection came back with a bunch of items, normal stuff, the kind of thing you solve with a couple phone calls, really. But the agent on the other side didn't know how to solve it. So this is really where people get stuck. So instead of reading the contract, she got bossy with me, tried to bully me, tried to bully the deal forward because she couldn't handle the pressure of navigating the inspection and repairs. And here's what matters. It's not the volume that's the authority. When an agent yells, it's almost always going to be panic. They don't know what to do next. They don't know what the next step is. So they perform confidence instead. Roar. We save the deal, not by matching the noise, but by going back to the text line by line until the path was clear. And that's the difference between someone practicing on your deal and someone who's done this, well, 100 times or more. Here's the bottom line, folks. If you're coming to Kansas City, or if you're buying or selling here, it's what I do. I know the area. I know the streets. I'll read the house. And I'll negotiate hard on your side. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And when you're ready, call or text me directly. 816-5511-777. Let's talk. Ciao.